What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the high-level business management platform and its different feature, as well as a quick look on their website builder. Now I'm saying that it's an all-in-one business management platform instead of like email marketing or like closing deals platform, because it has all the tools that you need to manage your business. So if we go to their website, that's gohighlevel.com. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the benefits that are offered by the platform. So here you can capture leads or capture new clients using your the landing pages and surveys and forms and calendars, and nurture them with all ways of contact to keep a contact with them so that you don't lose them, and close more deals with the inbuilt tools to collect payments, schedule appointments, and so on. So here you can capture new leads. You can also nurture leads and customers by keeping the live conversation and be in contact with them all the time, as well as automated booking and automated conversations. And here you can create membership areas for like course management and services and so on, and close more deals, grow your business even more with all the tools that you need. And here you can create your own platform, and they tell you that they have great support, and you can see here some of the tools that you can, or the benefits of using this platform. So here, by using each individual tool, you can pay a large sum of money. However, the platform, or gohighlevel.com, offers you all of these platforms included in the subscription. Now here you have two plans. You have the starter plan, which is $97 a month, and the unlimited, which is $297 a month. And you can compare the plans here to view which is better suited for your business. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for a 14 days free trial on the startup plan. Here I'm gonna enter my company name, my full name, email address, and phone number, and then continue to the trial details. So I'm going to fill in these details pretty quickly and then get back to you. Okay, and then the trial details here, you can select the payment method and enter your credit card details and start your free trial. So you will get only paid after the 14 days free trial, so it's pretty secure. However, I will not input my credit card details right now, so let's go ahead and continue exploring the benefits of the platform. Now here, if I scroll down, here I can see a comparison between Gohighlevel versus some of the popular platforms out there to manage your business and increase your sales here, as well as Zoho, Salesforce, Klaviyo, and some of them. Now here I have some testimonials and as well as video testimonials for the platform. And if I go here and go in depth on each supported benefit right here, so for example, if we go, for example, to the capture new leads, you can read more about this specific feature or this specific benefit here in detail. So you can here create full websites, funnels, and landing pages. And that's what we are interested in. And the website editor is a simple drag and drop surveys, and you can drag and drop elements such as text, surveys, forms, and photos, and so on. And it's pretty easy to use, it's pretty user-friendly, it's pretty beginner-friendly, especially if you are just beginning your business. And you can add an online appointment scheduling built into your website. So they have built in your own calendar application into your website so that clients can book and schedule their appointments as they wish with ease. And if we go, for example, already we discussed the building marketing engine to capture and nurture and close deals. And if you go to the nurture leads and view it in more depth, you can easily customize your follow-up campaigns to follow up with the customers and let them updated so that you don't lose them. And keep them, or of course, capturing or keeping them engaged and having responses ready for them at each time. And you can create multi-channel campaigns, such as with email, SMS, MMS, and even Facebook Messenger. And you have two-ways communication on any device. So they have the mobile app that allows you to communicate with your leads on all devices, so they can be updated and be in contact with them at any platform or at any time. And you have fully automated booking, so you can automatically nurture conversations and have like set responses to your clients at any time, to automating processes such as booking times and stuff like that, and customer support. You can get full customizations of messaging And of course, you get artificial intelligence built in. So here you can use or nurture or harvest the power of AI to respond to your clients and keeping them updated without like the feel of an automated or robotic touch. And here you can create membership areas to for fully automating or fully managing courses. So if you do like online courses and you are selling or creating online courses, you can get the fully featured course management, including unlimited video hosting and unlimited users, subscribers to your course. And you can offer free and paid courses, and they can like manage the payment and process the payments for you. Of course, you can get unlimited usage with unlimited offers and products of courses. So that's pretty cool. And here you can close more deals and you can manage the flows and pipeline. So you can manage each step of your business. So you can manage the deals in like a Kanban view, similar to stuff like Trello, for example, where you can like each of the projects or each opportunity, you can get it to like starting out, in progress, won or lost, and stuff like that. And you can collect customers' payments through Stripe and other payment gateways. And you can get all the analytics and reports in one place. So you can get all the reports here and analytics. Okay, that's pretty cool. And you can grow your business with all the tools that you need, like website builders, funnels, calendars, and many other services that you need included with the subscription. So you do not have to subscribe to another plan to get all these tools. And the other benefit is that all the tools are under one roof, so that you can get all the analytics and statistics all in one place for any service. And here you can go ahead and build your own white label platform, sell to your customers, sell it at your own price and decide your price, as well as making additional revenue sources with CRM and mobile applications. So including CRM or customer relationship management with this platform allows you to better contact or better communicate with your contacts and manage them and get better customer support. So, as you might have guessed, investing in a service such as Gohighlevel will save you a lot of money on the long run and be able to manage all your business sites, from customer support to building landing pages and online pages, and managing your leads, your funnel, your projects, and so much more. So that was pretty much it. That was like a quick overview of the Gohighlevel platform and what it can do to help you grow your business by capturing more leads, being in touch with your clients, building landing pages, managing courses, and so much more. So you can decide for yourself if it's worth it for you and your business to invest in such a platform or a business management tool to grow your business. And don't forget, you have a 14 days free trial to try out the service for yourself. And if you decide it's worth it, you can go ahead and continue with the paid plans afterwards.